Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 果. Step by step, I will first write it in Stardust script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 果 fruit, result, 苹果 apple, 苹果 apple. For example, we have apples and peaches. We have apples and peaches. 我们有苹果和桃子。我们有苹果 apple 和 and 桃子 peaches 我们有 we have 苹果和桃子。We have apples and peaches. 我们有苹果和桃子。My casual handwriting on 果。果 fruit, result 苹果 apple. We have apples and peaches. 我们有苹果和桃子。果 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 果. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.